guys, I am so excited for fall, and today we are shopping in Dollar Tree. Here is all of the fall stuff. This is so cute. I love it. Ooh, these pumpkin clips are gorgeous. I love this white. This will make a great DIY. Can't wait to use these. They have a lot of pumpkin options this year. One of my favorites is the burlap one. I really like these chalk signs. I think these are really adorable too. Good way to practice gratitude with the kids. Look at this, these gather together signs. These are really pretty. This is what I've been so excited to find. Okay, these are metal words. These are gonna be gorgeous for a DIY. I actually really like this. Those could make really, really pretty table runners. This is a new product this year. They have burlap leaves. Oh, these are so pretty. I'm excited. Every year they always have so many pumpkin options. Have them in a whole display. They look awesome. This is pretty. This is now a great time to pick up a ribbon too. This is so gorgeous. This plaid, I'm loving that. Floral section, this is a new product. It's got all these little pumpkins hanging off of this. I think if you painted these, oh my goodness, that could look so cute. The garlands, I think these ones are my favorite. They have these little mini gourds on them. The maple leaf. I just pulled a random wreath form off the shelf. Look at that. You can see how that would come together. Flowers to make a really cute farmhouse wreath. Just give me all of the burlap things and I'm happy. Look at how pretty all of this is looking together. You really can get that farmhouse look from here with a lot of this stuff. It's so, so cute. These are new and I really like these vases. They kind of have some texture on the bottom. These are very pretty. They also started carrying kind of more rustic frames, which is really cool. Look at these canvases. How gorgeous are these? I love this. And then this one. I do not need a sign that says hooray, but I can use this for a DIY. So here's how I ended up using the dollar store items around my home. First, I took the canvas sign and some white chalk paint I already had. And after the paint dried, the coolest thing happened. It started crackling. And then I took the galvanized sign and I used E6000 to glue it on. I am loving this look on such a small budget. Next, I took a hurricane vase and added a few of those burlap wreaths I found. And the mini pumpkins, I just pulled them off of the clips. I'm loving this display on our counter, and there's the $1 frame I picked up. This looks like something you'd find at Kirkland's for like 30 or 40 bucks, and I did it for just a few. And I totally couldn't resist this mini canvas. I had to put it by my cotton stem display. If you like seeing how I use these items around my home, definitely let me know in the comments down below. I think that's like half the fun of a shop with me video. You guys have fun shopping? I totally did. And if you want to see what I do and the DIYs that I make, you leave this video a big thumbs up and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye. Fun fact, my absolute favorite candy bar are Kit Kats. I'm gonna buy this. Probably gonna eat it before I get to the register. Oh my gosh, stop. Ooh, what? What is it with me and chocolate? All right, it's a surprise. Let's show them. Carson, what are you thankful for? Beef? What made you choose beef?
I don't know.
That's literally the best thing I've heard all day.